Hey, welcome back to CaptainFishbeard.com. Today we're going to draw a crocodile. So I'm going to show you how to draw a crocodile. That's just pretty cool. So we're going to start off with shapes as we always do. Cool, right. So, okay, this is going to be kind of an oval like that. If you start off with a kind of an oval shape, it's going to be the long snout like that. You can kind of taper it towards the end there if you want to. Level that off there. Then the actual head part, I think we're going to just have a round circle there. We may not use all of it because I think what we can do is have that part coming in there for our sort of neck part there. And then we're going to follow these lines down, and then this one just to bend out a little bit like that, and then that's our basic shape. What we'll actually do is do an arc. Why not? We'll do a bit of a tail as well. Let's do the whole crocodile. One line down there like that. There you go, you can see that again now. Another one, just line coming like that. That's going to come under there, so he's going to be standing up. Arm can come through like this, just a sausage. We're always going to have a sausage. We'll have him waving, his arm up like that. Mark where your eyes are going to go as well. I'm going to have one on that side, one on that side. That's going to come under there. Then basic feet there. We're going to put a bit more detail in there in a minute, but they're the basic shapes. So that's our basic sort of pencil line sketch. As easy as that. Oh, I'm just going to actually follow this oval round, and then we're going to just have that coming under there because it's going to have a slightly different belly. So now we can hit it with the pen. Again, you've got to make your mistakes with the pencil stage, and then you're done. For the pen stage, it's dead easy. What I'm going to do on a sort of reptilian skin is bumps all the way over. So instead of just following these straight lines all the way around, what I'm actually going to do is just bumps all the way along. So we're still following the line, but it's just bumpy all the way along. And you can see it gives this sort of knobbly effect. I'm going to take this one under here, just join that from the one underneath. Now put a couple of little nostrils on the end there. You can see he's already starting to take shape, and you can know immediately what this is. There we go. Leave that, and I'm going to do that bit because I think his tummy's going to be a bit smoother than the rest of his knobbly body. That's going to come down like that. That leg's going to come through like that, and then we're going to put some toes. Same on this side as well, so easy as that. Just follow exactly the same sort of lines along there. These are going to be knobbly off his hands. Obviously it's not like a realistic crocodile. Wouldn't be standing up and waving, certainly, would it? If it was, I'd run away. I wouldn't want to be friends with it. Just in case. Now these little bits of detail, just draw a little, they're almost like sort of flying bird shapes, aren't they, these ones, or M's. And then you can draw the odd tooth coming down on these ones. That's really fun. You can do teeth like that, or you can do teeth like that. Whichever you want. Your drawings, your crocodile. You can do what you want. It could be an alligator. I don't really know the difference between a crocodile and an alligator. Again, take more care with yours. I'm going to do this very, very quickly just to show you exactly how I would do this. And really, I'm going to give them some lines along there like that. Don't know why, just a comic technique for cartoons. And give some eyebrows. So once you've done your characters, you can always embellish them with all sorts of other fun details like these sort of things. And then colour him in and shade him and have all sorts of fun with your crocodile. But that's your basic crocodile. I think it looks fun. And the knobbly bit really gives it some real texture, some real life in that as well. So try that one yourself and let me know how you get on. Take it easy. I'll see you next time on CaptainFishbeard.com.